beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. Make sure you're subscribed down below. So I'm about to show you guys how I did a sleek ponytail on my natural hair using little to no heat at all. So the first thing that I did was wash my hair overnight and put it in some braids to pre-stretch it. Then I'm going to use this blow dry that I got on Amazon on a really low setting. Even though we're using little heat, we're still using a blow dryer. So I use some heat protectant to safeguard my hair. I'll put all the products that I use in my Amazon storefront, so you can find the link in my description below. So another thing when doing a sleek ponytail on your natural hair is you want to do this in section. You won't regret it when you do it in section. It's gonna make it more easy, effortless, and just overall flawless without all the bumps and grooves. Especially if you have short natural hair, this method of doing a sleek ponytail is the absolute best. I've been doing it for years and it saved me so much time and arm strength. Like, listen, okay? So the gel that I'm using is the Wetline Extreme Gel, and I'm using this gel because I realized out of all the gels that I use, this one gives me less product buildup and doesn't give me that white casting when I'm done. So you can use whatever gel suits you best. And when you're doing this style, because of how much gel you are going to use, you want to make sure that you have little to no product in your hair. Hence why I wash my hair the night before, so that the leave-in conditioner that I use is completely absorbed in my hair, so it doesn't leave anything on top of my hair, especially since I have low porosity. Now, once I get to the front, I do another section because the very top section is where I'm going to do my middle part, and then I go in with a pomade or a edge control, whatever you want to do, and I use that in the kitchen right in the back because I need them rolls to be smoothed into the ponytail. Then when I reach the very top, I do my parting first because I need to see how much hair is going to be on either side, meaning I want to make sure that it's very much centered. So I put a little bit of that edge control on the parting just to clean it up real nicely, and then we're going to do sections again and again. Now, how much product you want to use depend on you personally. I did use quite a bit of product this time around. Usually I try to do as minimal as possible. And what you want to do is make sure that it's completely dry. Well, not completely. If you have those porosity hair, I don't know what is completely dry because my hair is never completely dry anyway. So you don't want to pull out the ponytail that you created the first time around in the back section. All you're going to do is add another ponytail. I've made the mistake too many times of removing the back ponytail. You're going to make two ponytails in one, if you get what I'm saying. So once my ponytail is done, I'm like, yo, this is kind of cute. I could have left my hair just like this because this was absolutely giving with the natural hair. But I'm like, hey, we're already here to do this long curly ponytail that you already asked me to do. Now I'm going to go in with that same edge control, the edge booster edge control. And I'm just creating a little swoopty doop. If you're new here, trust me, I am all about them swoops. Ask the girlies that's been here since day one. Chev loves a little bit of swoop action. Not too big, not too bold, but a little swoops never hurt. You know what I'm saying? Like a little extra something. We're not calling it baby hairs because it's not baby hairs, it's just swoops. Okay, but you don't have to do this part. You can just sleek everything back. But I don't know, I like the little aesthetic of the little curly swoops. Just 4 little pieces, 2 in the front and 2 little sideburns. That's it, and love it. So I'm gonna tie that down with my wig band. Actually, I use this band to tie down my lace on my wigs, but I'm like, yo, it works for edges too. You feel me? And then I'm going to tie down the hair with a scarf just to get the hair to be molded properly and hopefully get it to dry. Now, I've used this ponytail at least 3 times. It's a synthetic hair from Shake and Go that I bought at my beauty supply store, and this one is called Mali Curl, and I got this in 1B to try to match my hair as best as possible. I feel like number 1 hair would have been too black. My hair isn't jet black, but it's more like a natural black. And this is how the ponytail is looking. And as I said, I've worn this at least 3 times, so it's holding up pretty well. And it comes with this little comb thingy-majig in there, but girl, we're gonna need some bobby pins to really hold that ponytail, because you don't want to be out in these streets and your ponytail is shifting. That is never okay. And if you've had that experience before, like myself in the past, you know, get them bobby pins, girl. We're gonna stick them all over this ponytail. So I don't even know how many bobby pins I use. I just use as much as tugged and tightly as this ponytail could go. If you suffer from migraines, you're obviously going to use less. Matter of fact, I don't even know why you're doing a ponytail if you get migraines, because that's just a recipe for disaster, unless you're taking some Advil. I don't know, girl. Anyways, so I'm going to wrap this little piece here. I love the style of this ponytail because it comes with the wrapping part that will hide the weft of the hair. And once I do one wrap, I go in with some EBIN spray. If you have got to be glued spray, you can use that as well. And then I wrap it as much as, not snugly, but I wrap it to lay as flat as I could get it. Then when I reach the last part, I put a bobby pin in, and then I spray it somewhere with the EBIN spray. The EBIN spray is what's gonna keep it to look neat and also stay in place. Then I'm gonna get some mousse to help me to define some of the curls. Remember, this is synthetic hair, not human hair. So mousse does help to keep the hair from looking frizzy and too tangly, and also to help detangle the hair. So I'm just going to play around with the ponytail, try to get it to be less tangled up, and just rake my fingers through the curls, get it to be fluffed up, give it some volume and all that good stuff. I'm going to try to find as much of these stuff on Amazon and put it in my Amazon store for you guys. But this is the end look of my sleek ponytail, and I am absolutely in love with it. It is flawless. She is laid, okay? Laid for the gods. Look how laid that hair is. And I'm loving the natural waves with it. It doesn't have to look swoop-de-doop sleek, but just naturally sleek. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All the details will be in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at damnthatschev. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.